Alright, I got the pliers from the 4-piece set. I'm not gonna test out the slip joint pliers because these are the ones that matter to me. From the 4-piece set and then the 3-piece diamond tip set. We are going to sacrifice a coat hanger to see how to cut and bend. Now, let me undo this so I get more. Come on, you stupid coat hanger. There we go. Get more of a cut on this. There we go. And straighten this out off camera here, because I don't think that matters. What I'm going to do is start with the smaller pliers, the 7-inch, I believe. I'll get back about that. Like the cutters right here. See how they work with this. That's shot. Okay, that worked pretty well. So now we got the long nose pliers here. So they cut. That one's a little harder to cut, but I'm not using long nose as much. That's why you got the other cutters. They bend really easy. Now the linesman pliers should cut easier than the long nose pliers. So let's see. A little easier. And bending is not a problem whatsoever. Now what I expect is the larger ones, since they're larger, more leverage, things like that, to be easier on something like this. Let's see. About the same as the smaller long nose pliers, but as you see what happened just there, when I twisted this, the blades kind of opened, but they still had a good grip on them because that diamond coating, because it's the same thing as on my screwdrivers. They have a good grip on them. Now linesman pliers cutting. That one was hard. What the heck? I'm closer towards the bottom of the jaws. Yeah, that's better. Now these lineman pliers are kind of sticky. I still haven't welded them, but that bent really easy. Actually, let me cut that. So slip joint. That was easier than last time. So the slip joint can bend fairly easy too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.